this G1 over here, can directly connect, and then at the site we can write G1 equals to 1 over here. Similarly, this connection will be completed. We can write G2 equals to 1 over here. So if you just see, there is a slight difference between the encoder which we have seen yesterday and the encoder which we have drawn now. Okay, so you can clearly see the encoder. We are having the R0, R1 and the R2, and this is how we have completed the encoder. All of you have drawn the encoder now. One thing is remaining. Okay, here you need to draw the another switch over here. From here you will be getting the, you need to show the output. Okay, we are having the output over here, and from here what we are going to do is, the encoder mostly helps in getting the parity bits. We can find out the parity bits over here. So how, this is how what we have done is, we have completed the encoder over here. So our encoder design is being completed. Now the what we have to do is, before starting we need to write the value, or we need to find the equation for R0, R1 and R2. Now instead of finding the R0, R1 and R2, what we are going to write over here is the R0 dash, R1 dash and R2 dash, because we are having the two contents. Which two contents we are having over here? Before shift and then the after shift. We are having the some values that will be present in the register, because these registers, they are nothing but they are the flip-flops. So we will be having some of the values which are being present before shift and some values which are present after shift over here. So I need to write the equation for the R0 dash, R1 dash and R2 dash. Now R2, before shift, the value in all the three flip-flops or on in all the three registers, they will be 0, 0. So we are having the R0 dash. Now for the R0 dash, what will be the equation? As you can see, when this switch is being closed, when we are going to close the switch, what we are having over here, R2 XOR R0 dash will be R2 XOR M. Okay, R0 will be your R2 XOR M. Okay, next, what will be having for the R1 dash? Now R1, we are having the R2 XOR M coming from this, and similarly we are having the R0. So what we can write over here is the R2 XOR M, and again XOR with the R0. So we are having the R2 XOR M coming from over here, and then we are having the another input coming to this XOR gate, which is your R0 F. Okay. Now coming to the another gate which we are having, R2 dash. Now coming to the R2 dash, what we are having is, what will be the equation for the R2 dash now? Tell me the for R2 dash.
Previous R1.
Previous R1.
R1.
XOR with the
R0.
No, इसका तो फंक्शन है ही नहीं ना, यहाँ से जो डेटा आ रहा है आपका, दिस डेटा विल बी कमिंग ओवर हियर, क्या हो जाएगा?
R1.
हाँ, R1 तो हमने लिख दिया है, एक इनपुट R1 है. व्हाट अबाउट दिस? यहाँ से जो आएगा वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका?
M.
ओनली M विल बी कमिंग ओवर हियर.
R2 XOR M.
R2 XOR M. लिखूं R2 XOR M? चलो एक बार और सोच के बताइए मुझे. Who will give me the correct answer? R1 XOR R2 XOR M लिखूंगी कि R1 XOR M लिखूंगी, क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे? The equation which I have written is right or it is wrong? Okay. So this is the equation for the R2 dash. ये ध्यान रखना है, जो R2 dash आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो XOR गेट है यहाँ पे M भी आ रहा है और R2 भी आ रहा है. So we will be having the previous R2. So for generating the R2 dash, the equation will be R1 XOR R2 XOR M. Okay. So for R0 dash, R2 XOR M. For R1 dash, R2 XOR M XOR R0. And for R2 dash, it will be R1 XOR R2 XOR M. तीनों equations clear हो गए mind में. Now what we have to draw is, we have to draw the table. I hope everybody remembers the table. क्या था आपका टेबल में पहला? What we are having is the message bits. What we have is the message bits. Whatever the message bits have been given over here. Then what we have is the contents of register. 4 shift. Okay, and then we are having the contents of register after shift. We are having the
Ma'am, can you show the previous page? I want to draw a diagram.
What can I show you?
Previous page.
Previous stage.
Page.
Yeah, previous page. I will show you the previous page. Okay. This equation I have written R0 dash equals to R2 XOR M. R1 dash equals to R2 XOR M XOR R0. And R2 dash equals to R1 XOR R2 XOR M. Okay, all of you have written this equation. Again, I am dictating you. R0 dash equals to R2 XOR M. R1 dash equals to R2 XOR M XOR R0. And R2 dash equals to R1 XOR R2 XOR M.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So now we will draw the table. Once you draw the table, it will become very easy for you. Now, what the message bits are being given to us? The message is being given as the 10101. We are having the 5 bits and the message is 10101. So before the first bit will come over here, what we know, first of all, I will just write over here R0, R1 and R2. You can write the message bit M over here. We are having R0, R1 and R2. And here what we can write over here is the R0 dash, R1 dash and R2 dash. मैं 2 step बताऊंगी, rest you are going to solve because yesterday also we have done it. Okay, ध्रुमिल आपने solve कर लिया है? Okay. No parity bits. Check करो एक बार फिर से. So we are having the 10101. So the first bit will be 1. When the first bit is 1, initially when nothing is there, when no shifting is being done, the flip-flops, they are going to contain the value as 0, 0 and 0. So considering the value of R0, R1, R2, what will be your R0 dash now over here? The value of R0 dash will be your R2 XOR with N. So it will turn out to be 1. The R0 dash will be 1. R1 dash, what is the equation we have written for the R1 dash? It is nothing but your R2 XOR with R0 XOR with M. So it will be again 1 over here. So we will get 1 over here. Okay. And the another bit what we are having is the R2 dash. R2 dash is nothing but your R2 XOR with R1 XOR with your M. So this is the previous R2. So R1 XOR R2, since all the values, they will turn out to be 1, 1, 1. So in the first shift, when the value message here is 1 and all the bits registers are containing 0, 0. So after shifting, they will contain the value 1, 1 and 1. Then coming to the second bit, it is 0. So what we have to do is we have to shift this 1 over here. 1, 1 and 1. These will be the new values in the registers R0, R1 and R2. Then message bit is your 0. Similarly, again find out R0 dash. क्या हो जाएगा R0 dash? Again R0 dash is nothing but your R2 XOR with M. So 1 XOR 0, it will turn out to be 1 over here. Now R1 dash is nothing but your what is we are having is the R0 XOR with R2 XOR with 0. Again 1 XOR 1, 0, 0 XOR 0, the value will be here 0. R2 dash, what we are having for the R2 dash over here is the R1 XOR with R2 XOR with your message M. Okay, so it will be R1 XOR R2, 1 XOR 1, the value will be 0, 0 XOR 0, again it will be your 0. So that when the second bit is being sent over here, R0 dash, R1 dash, R2 dash, the value will be 1, 0, 0. All of you are getting 1, 0, 0 for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then coming to the third bit. चलो third bit के लिए tell me क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Who will give me the answer for this? Give me the value of R0 dash, R1 dash and R2 dash.
1 0
1 0
1
1 0 1.
1 0 1. All of you are getting 1 0 1. Yes, all of you are getting 1 0 1, or should I explain it one more time? R0 dash, again R0 dash is nothing but R2 XOR M. So it will turn out to be 1. R1 dash is your R0 XOR with R2. That is the 1 XOR 0. 1 XOR 1, it will turn out to be 0. And R2 dash is nothing but your again R0 XOR with the R1. 0 XOR 0 0 and 0 XOR 1, that is the message bit. It will be 1 0 1. I hope all of you are getting this 101.
Ma'am, could you just lift the camera up once?
Come on, give me for the fourth bit now. We will be having 101 over here.
Hello, ma'am.
1 XOR 1 is all, it will give you 0 only.
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
मैम थोड़ा कैमरा आप ऊपर ले सकते हो क्या?
ठीक है. इसमें यहाँ से
Yes,
पता नहीं
ma'am.
साइज भी बहुत कम है. मैं खुद स्क्रीन देख रही हूँ, मुझे खुद को बहुत ज्यादा ब्लर नजर आ रही है. अभी दिख रहा है थोड़ा क्लियर? So again for the 0, what will the value of your R0 dash now? R0 dash is the R2 XOR with M. It will turn out to be 1 over here. Then R1 dash is the R0 XOR with R2. 1 XOR 1 0, 0 XOR 0, it will be 0 over here. Okay. And then what we are having is R2 dash. R2 dash के लिए क्या है आपका? Again you are having the R1 XOR with the R2. That is the 0 XOR 1. 1 XOR 0. It will be 1. So what we are getting is the 101. Again here we will be getting the 101. Now already the 4 bits, they are being shifted over here. Now which bit we are going to shift? The last bit, that is your bit 1. Again this value will come in the register. We are having the 101. So now again R0 dash is nothing but R0 dash is your 1 XOR, that is the R2 XOR with this, it will be 0. 1 XOR 1, R2 XOR with the M, the value will be 0 over here. Coming to R1 dash, R1 dash is nothing but your R0 XOR with R2, that is the 1 XOR 1 will be 0. 0 XOR 1, it will be your 1. R2 dash is nothing but your R0 XOR, R1 XOR with the R2. So 0 XOR 1, 1, and then 1 XOR 1, it will turn out to be 0. So what value we will be getting over here? Finally, it will be 0, 1, 0. All of you are getting this particular value? Okay. So I hope everybody has become familiar with the encoder. We can design the encoder very well. Parity bits will always come in the prefix. So when you're going to write the code word over here, the code word will turn out to be, code word is equals to 10101. This is your message bit, that is the 10101, and this is the 010, that is the parity bits which we have find out. So we are having the code word is the 10101 and the 010 is your parity bits. In this way you need to find the code word. The parity bits will always be in the post and not the prefix. Okay. One more numerical I'm just dictating you. Just write it down. So that encoder हमारा वाला part खत्म हो जाएगा. So then we will just switch over to the syndrome calculator. Write down. Consider a 7,4 cyclic code. I will just write the generator matrix over here. So it will be generator polynomial. It will be write down. Consider a 7,4 cyclic code generated by. Consider a 7,4 cyclic code generated by g of x equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube. G of x equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube. Design an encoder. Design an encoder. Design an encoder and find the code word for message m equals to 1001. Design an encoder and find the code word for message m equals to 1001. Okay. Now here g of x equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube. So again we will, yes Priyanka, we will be getting the two gates over here, because when I'm going to write the general equation for g of x, what I'm going to write is the g3 x cube plus g2 x square plus g1 x raised to 1 plus g0 x raised to 0. When you're going to compare, we are not going to write every time for the g3 and g0 because these are the default values. Cube and the 1 will always be there. Now what is being present over here, we're comparing over here, what we can find out, the value of g2 is 1, but now here g1 value is turning out to be 0. So how many values we are having? The 3. So as the 3 coefficients are present in the generator polynomial, so we will be needing the 2 gates. And how many flip-flops, shift registers? We will be needing the 3 shift registers. Okay. So all of you can solve it. Draw the encoder. Come on. Yes, what equations you are getting for R0 dash, R1 dash and R2 dash? All of you have written the equation. Who will tell me the equation for this? Yes, Manna Kushal, can you tell me the equation for the R0 dash? Are you there, Kushal? No, he's not there. Rajak Abhishek, roll number 26. Are you there? Yes, Nimisha? Yes, R0 dash is nothing but R plus M. Very good. Drumil, now you won't answer anything, okay? Yes, Anupama, can you tell me the answer for R1 dash? What will be the R1 dash? It means these friends, they are not paying any attention or they are not present. Okay, Drumil, you just write for R2 dash also. What will be the equation for R2 dash? Yes, R2 dash will be R1 plus R2 plus M. Very good. Should I design the encoder or all of you will be able to draw the encoder?
Ma'am, can you draw the diagram?
Yeah, I will draw the diagram. Now here what we are having is the G1 term, it is missing, right? G1 is equals to 0 and the term G2 is over there. So first of all, I will draw the three registers R0, R1 and R2. One XOR gate, this is the default gate which will always be there. So we are having this particular default gate, that is the R2. This XOR gate will always be there, to which we are going to connect our message bits. We will be having the message bits. From here we will be getting the parity bits. Okay, we have a switch over here. We are having a parity bit. Now already we have used the one gate. We are going to use, as per our generator polynomial, we are going to use only two gate. Now the question arises, where the second gate we are going to use? This is the one gate which is the default gate. We have already used it. Now what is remaining is the another gate. Now as you can see over here, when I'm going to complete this particular connection, what we have the G1 over here and we have a G2 over here. Now for this, the G2 is equals to 1, whereas the G1 is equals to 0. So this connection won't be completed over here. So whatever the input we are having, the R0 will be directly connected to the R1, and in between R1 and R2, I will be having the one XOR gate, as we are having G2 is equals to 1 over here. Okay, so this will be the connection and the input will be coming from this. So this XOR gate we are having going to have the another XOR gate which is being connected between R1 and R2 over here. So this is how we are going to complete our encoder. यहाँ पे G1 इक्वल्स टू 0, इसलिए यहाँ पे कनेक्शन नहीं आएगा. ओके. ये शिवम ड्रॉ किया बेटा आपने?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
ओके फाइन.
Thank you, ma'am.
ओमकार आपको मिल रहा है बेटा? आंसर आया आपका? ओमकार जस्ट.
Yes, ma'am. Final stage.
ओके.
I'm got the answer.
यस.
0 0 0 है.
जस्ट आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा मुझे. What about others? What answers others are getting? Priyanka, did you get the answer beta? Okay, what you are getting?
Hello, ma'am. मुझे different मिला.
हाँ, क्या मिला बताइए?
1 1 0
1 1
0.
0. ओके. ध्रुमिल एक बार आप फिर से चेक करो. ओमकार आप भी एक बार चेक करो. Yes, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Just check it one more time because even I am getting 110. कहाँ गलत हो रहा है देखो. अभी कितना मिल रहा है ध्रुमिल आपको? यू आर गेटिंग 101. ये जो 101 which you are getting over here, this is for the input when the input 1 is being sent. This is the value of R0 dash, R1 dash and R2 dash. Right? So when the bit 0 is being given over here, this value when the bit 1 is being sent over here, sorry. When the bit 1 is being sent for the bit 0, 101, this is the value. This will be the value present in R0, R1 and R2. And when you're going to perform the shift, शिफ्ट करने के बाद देखो आप क्या मिलता है आंसर. ठीक है. So the final answer will be getting as the 110. मैं इसका चाहिए तो पिक अपलोड कर दूंगी. So you all will be able to know what the correct answer is. Okay, fine. Okay, you got where Omkar has got 110. Okay, okay. So in the next lecture, we'll start with the syndrome calculator. That is the decoder. Okay, syndrome calculator. The another word which is being used for the syndrome calculator is the decoder. So in the next lecture, we'll just see with the decoder, and then we will be solving 2-3 numericals based on it, and then we will solve the one complete numerical with the polynomial division method, designing an encoder, and then designing a syndrome calculator. Okay. Okay, fine. Bye. Take care, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, all of you.